Now let's look at part A. So in part A, we are given that in 1 week, Layla drives a total distance of 92 kilometers in the city, right? So take note of all this important information. Layla estimates that she will use 5.8 liters of fuel. Okay, your job is to show that Layla is correct. Okay, so just recall that if they ask you to show, right, you cannot start by assuming the result. Okay, so you cannot use the fact that Layla used 5.8 liters of fuel. You cannot start with it. You have to conclude with it. Okay, so let's go back to the information that we are given. So because we are driving in the city, and Layla drives a small family car. Okay, the information that we need is to use this 6.3 liters per 100 kilometer. Okay, so since we are given that we know that 100 kilometers it will take 6.3, so we have this 100 kilometer. Okay, it will be 6.3 liters, right? So the question is, if I drive 92 kilometer, how much fuel will I take? Okay, so for many of you, actually you manage to do something like this. Okay, so I'll just show you the solution. Okay, so for a small family car, the amount of fuel is 6.3 liters per 100 kilometer. All right, so I need to know that you are selecting the correct information. Okay, so 6.3 liters for 100 kilometers. So if you go and work it out, how do you get 92 kilometers? All right, so it's not easy to get 92 kilometers from 100 kilometers. So what you can do first is to first divide by 100 to get 1 kilometer. After you get 1 kilometer, right, you can multiply it by 92 to get 92 kilometers. So what we'll do for the amount of fuel is to do the same. You divide by 100. All right, 6.3 liters divided by 100. Then you multiply by 92, right, to get 5.796 liters. Okay, because the question asks you to show that it's approximately 5.8 liters. Okay, so you round according to what the question asks you to round to. Okay, so in this case, it is 1 decimal place. So, 5.8. Okay, it's also good to have a concluding statement over here. So Layla uses 5.8 liters approximately, and then you can write shown. Okay, right, so that's part A.